Hey buddies, it's your girl AyChristene, and today we're checking out My Little Pony. This is episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Links down below to become a patron to get the uncut reaction to this series, like Starwish Buggy, Lint Liquor, Javis Chisholm, TZ, Moot J33, J Plaza, and Opal 40985. Links down below, like I said. Now let's get started.
There you go, Mr. Mousy. Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you. It'll be just like new in no time at all.
A tiny little mouse in a little wheelchair. So cute. Lord, what's wrong with you?
You
Okay.
want a watch?
No, it's time
You
for...
wanna be a watch?
It's time. You gotta hurry. Late.
Running out of time?
Late.
No, you're late?
Late. Yes, for a very important date. Is he late or are you late?
For a very important date.
Hilarious.
Brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner.
That's what he tried to tell you.
The princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do
Hurry,
I
go.
Do I need to bring
Yes.
anything? Maybe I shouldn't go.
Go.
It's starting.
Yeah. Hurry up. You could fly.
Thanks, Angel.
Oh. Oh.
If you hadn't reminded me, I might have not.
Fluttershy, go!
And every pony would be wondering where I was, and
Thank you.
I'm late.
Yeah, close the door. Thank you. He said, let me lock the... What? Is she trying to get in again?
Oh, see you later.
Girl, go to the party, bruh.
My little pony,
She was definitely doing the most. She needs to relax.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway?
Wait, not be annoying and aggressive.
Okay, good.
Don't tap me.
Hello?
I don't want to hear you.
Mom?
No. Go. Is it a chortle? Chortle in her face.
Ooh,
No.
you're good.
Very, very good.
Too good. I'm bored.
Thank goodness.
You made it.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Who goes there?
Ooh.
No,
Ooh.
never mind. I'll go home.
Wow. Wow.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Yes. She receded so quickly.
I'm so sure you have nothing to worry about.
You do
Casual
Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash. Oh. Oh.
You're gonna spill that on me.
Oh, Lord.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Wow.
Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me.
Wow. You okay?
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
The salad. Oh, Lord. Everybody's freaking out. Everyone's freaking out.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
Oh.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice.
She'll definitely notice this one. Oh, why did she smash it in her face?
Found any goodness?
Pinkie Pie! Babe, stop it! Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh. Yeah, she's like a little pig.
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
1001.
Right, thank you.
Okay, you are gonna eat it. Okay.
I
What?
see honey buns.
Oh, thank you.
Not
Wow.
bad, Your Highness.
Wow.
Thank you again.
Oh, Lord.
Of course, Your Majesty.
They don't want to... Okay. Is she playing with them? Don't sip it. Just put it down. Yeah, she's playing with them. She's playing with them.
And what about you?
Everybody relax.
Is it?
Me?
Mm.
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh, Fluttershy is so cute.
That you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
She
As do
does.
I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
What? Whoa, what is
Means more
that?
to me well-being of all my subjects.
What is in there? Oh Lord.
Philomena, my pet, you're awake. Do
Oh,
say hello to our gracious hosts.
my pet is. What the heck? That thing is dying.
Oh,
I'm dead.
my.
Right.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
Yep.
I've never seen
Yep.
anything like it.
Neither have I. Absolutely have not.
Really? Well,
Okay.
if I must.
Mm.
I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short.
Oh.
The mayor has requested an audience with me.
Oh,
Whatever
okay.
duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
What about that bird? Princess to princess, I must bid you adieu.
To the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly.
Sounded shady, but she means well.
I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help.
Hopefully. Oh my gosh.
Oh my, we better get you to bed right away.
What? Okay.
There.
Is it like a phoenix? Is it gonna like come back to? Yeah, it's a phoenix. Yeah, it's gonna like. Yeah, it's gotta burn and then change and turn into something beautiful. Yeah, just take the blanket off. No blanket. No, okay. You'll get it. You'll get it. I believe in you, Fluttershy. Wow.
This is far worse than I thought.
Or maybe no blanket.
Stat.
Oy, yeah.
Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up.
What is it?
Dr.
Yeah.
Fluttershy expected that.
Ah, okay. There you go. Wow.
Always work. Almost always.
Right. Lord, what is it coughing up?
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you.
Oh. Philomena said no.
Don't cooperate.
She said no.
See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 chugga.
Oh Lord. Oh goodness. Her head's gonna Oh Lord.
Oh dear. Don't worry.
She's gonna drown in there.
Feel better. Wait right
What?
here. I have just the thing.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna drown. Get her out of there.
Look, Philomena.
Wait, is that rat poison?
Cheer you up.
Is that rat poison or rat food?
Let me help him and got better in no time, didn't you, boy?
Is that rat poison or rat food?
Oh, look, I think he likes you.
Yeah. Oh, little humming. Goodness, what? Such a huge inhale. Lord.
Warm bath?
No, this isn't a... Whoa. What? Oh, Lord.
Ointment?
Oh, no. Goodness. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Feathers.
Are you... Oh. What was the scalpel for? Lord.
Philomena, I thought it would be easy to nurse you back.
It's gotta be a phoenix. If it's not, this bird is not long for this world. Ooh.
Thank you so very much for making such a good impression.
Not her busting in the house. Oh, Lord.
Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh no. This is bad.
Right, yeah.
Just walk away
Put it back.
She doesn't
To you.
I had to do
Also true. Also true. Also true.
Without asking permission.
Right. Also true. Also very true.
I know you
Lord.
have good intentions, but you have got to
The thing just died. Oh, it's still alive. It's still alive. Okay.
You're right. Okay, let's
Was that?
go.
What is with this little crazy bird? Run. Run.
Going to return Philomena, remember?
No!
Why not?
Well, yeah.
I have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet.
Do you?
Yeah, do you?
No.
Okay.
Good.
I mean, it's probably not.
Equestria.
Oh.
Throw you in a dungeon.
Oh.
Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon. Place that she banishes you to.
Hilarious.
You really think the princess would do that?
Okay. Granted, that probably won't happen.
Okay,
Do you
okay.
want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
Lord,
That's
this
very noble.
bird. It's
I'll
just,
write you when you're
I'm honestly, if this thing is not a phoenix, mercy kill. Like, we just gotta put it out of its misery. Please be a phoenix, I pray, because if it's not, you're just gonna have to, wrap it up in a bag or something, throw it in the ocean. I don't know, something, like put a stone in there, let it sink. I don't know, like that, light it on fire. I don't know, whatever would help end its misery. Okay.
Unless I'm banished to somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. Everything will
Oh
be
my
fine.
gosh.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh. Then you have to make her take it. You
Wow.
can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need
Wow.
to show this patient who's the boss.
How are you gonna do that?
She can't fly.
Oh wow. What are you gonna do? Oh, okay. Oh, that works.
Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
Oh, boom.
Well,
Boom. Yikes.
I don't
Yikes.
think she likes it.
tough love, baby.
Of course, but
Next.
well,
Wow.
she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
Lord.
One step ahead of you.
It's going to
Wow.
be good, Philomena, I promise.
Wow.
Just relax and try to get some sleep.
Wow.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
Don't eat it. Don't eat
I
it.
made for Philomena. She wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Wow. Wow. What are you about to do, Twilight? Oh, crap. Listen, she didn't try to run away before Twilight came, This is classic cartoon stuff here.
Excuse me.
Pardon. Down.
Wow.
Tarnation.
Sorry, but we
You
got
could
this.
clearly see. Oh. Oh, all the feathers are gone.
You'll hurt yourself.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, hell. You dramatic behind bird. Is this Deadpool 2? Oh yeah, he's a phoenix. She's a phoenix. She's a phoenix. She'll rise from the ashes. Oh baby. Oh.
What is going on here?
Oh.
Twilight?
Oh.
Your Majesty, there's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was
Mm.
my fault.
How's
I'm
it
the one who did
your
it.
fault, Twilight?
You were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Well,
Oh.
you let me do this, she'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
Okay, Twilight, quit. Picky. Right.
Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but
Mhm.
Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you. Honest.
You were. You were.
So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then
Oh.
that's what I deserve.
And that's what I deserve.
Stop fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. So you're sorry, young lady.
Oh.
Aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I wonder.
Guess I have some imagination.
Mm-hmm.
Really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
I do
Mm-hmm.
appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child.
And
But I
Twilight
think
over
you
there
asked me
trying
whether
to
you
drown
think
the
Philomena was a phoenix and
the
saved you all this trouble.
oh, that's
Oh,
also
yeah.
very
I
true.
shouldn't
Yeah.
have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, we're here.
That's quite all right.
Yeah, we're
I
here.
think I can remember.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's sweet.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Philomena. No hard feelings.
She's cute. What are you doing? What are you about to do? Ah, okay. Of course Philomena's gonna do whatever she's about to say, because Philomena's a troll. Hot mess. Hot mess. I am happy it was a phoenix, because I was like, if it is not a phoenix, the bird gotta go. The bird has to go. She was definitely going through it, okay? But, you know, she was a phoenix, and from the ashes she rose. I like that she was a little troll, and that she was trolling Fluttershy and Twilight. I like that she had fun. She had that mustache. Where'd she get that mustache from? And then her drawing on her pictures, the wanted signs. Well, not really wanted, but like lost and found signs. The fact that she was drawing a mustache on there, she's a little fun, little funky, fun, spicy little bird. You know. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Links down below to become a patron to get the uncut reaction to this series. I love you guys as always, and until next time, buddies. Toodles!